Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Indian Engineer Vlogs. Today, I am working on ATM maintenance and service. In this video, I will show you how ATM machines are inspected, diagnosed, and maintained to ensure smooth customer transactions. First, I check the machine status and identify any errors or issues. Then, I inspect the cash dispenser, card reader, receipt printer, and other important components. Regular ATM maintenance helps prevent breakdowns and keeps banking services available 24/7 for customers. Safety and accuracy are very important during every service visit. All checks are performed according to standard operating procedures. Right now, I am visiting an ATM site for a routine inspection. First, I check the machine status, network connectivity, cash dispenser condition, and customer-facing components. Regular maintenance helps keep the ATM running smoothly and reduces downtime. Now I am cleaning the ATM components. Dust and debris can affect the card reader, cash dispenser, and other moving parts. Proper cleaning improves performance and helps prevent common ATM issues. The cash dispenser is one of the most important parts of an ATM. Here, I am checking for any cash jams, worn rollers, or dispenser errors to ensure customers receive the correct amount of cash. This ATM is showing an error, so I am performing basic troubleshooting.
I'm an ATM service engineer with hands-on experience in ATM installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting. I have strong knowledge of ATM hardware components, including cash dispensers, card readers, receipt printers, PIN pads, and network connectivity systems. My responsibilities include diagnosing technical faults, performing preventive maintenance, replacing faulty components, and ensuring maximum ATM uptime. I am committed to delivering reliable service, maintaining security standards, and providing efficient technical support to ensure smooth banking operations. I am also experienced in cash dispenser maintenance. The cash dispenser is one of the most critical components of an ATM because it handles currency notes and delivers cash to customers. I regularly inspect sensors, belts, rollers, and cash cassettes to ensure smooth cash dispensing. If a note jam occurs, I carefully remove the jammed currency, clean the transport path, and verify the dispenser's performance through functional testing. In addition to hardware maintenance, I have knowledge of ATM networking and communication systems. ATMs rely on secure network connections to communicate with banking servers and process transactions. I troubleshoot network connectivity issues, check routers and communication devices, verify IP configurations, and coordinate with network teams when necessary. Preventive maintenance is another important part of my job. During scheduled maintenance visits, I clean internal components, inspect cables and connectors, test hardware modules, update software if required, and verify overall ATM performance. These activities help prevent unexpected breakdowns and improve machine reliability. Customer satisfaction is a major objective of my work. When an ATM is unavailable, customers may be unable to withdraw cash or perform banking transactions. Therefore, I focus on providing quick response times and effective solutions to ensure maximum ATM uptime. My goal is to keep ATMs operational, secure, and available to customers at all times. Safety and security are also essential aspects of ATM servicing. I follow standard operating procedures, security guidelines, and company policies while handling ATM equipment and cash-related components. I ensure that all maintenance activities are performed professionally and securely. Through my experience as an ATM service engineer, I have developed strong technical, analytical, and problem-solving skills. I am comfortable working independently, managing field service calls, and handling emergency breakdown situations. I continuously learn about new ATM technologies and industry developments to improve my technical expertise. I'm an ATM service engineer with strong knowledge of ATM hardware, software, and banking technology systems. My primary responsibility is to ensure that ATM machines operate efficiently, securely, and without interruption for customers. I have experience in installing, maintaining, troubleshooting, and repairing various ATM models, including machines from leading manufacturers. My technical skills help me diagnose problems quickly and restore ATM services within the required service level timelines. I possess a good understanding of major ATM components such as cash dispenser modules, card readers, receipt printers, encrypted PIN pads, power supply units, sensors, communication devices, and display systems. I regularly perform preventive maintenance activities including cleaning internal components, checking dispenser mechanisms, testing sensors, updating software, and ensuring that all ATM functions are operating properly. Preventive maintenance helps reduce machine failures and increases ATM uptime. One of my key responsibilities is troubleshooting ATM faults. When an ATM reports issues such as cash dispense errors, card reader failures, receipt printer problems, communication failures, or power-related faults, I analyze error logs and identify the root cause. I use diagnostic tools and technical procedures to repair defective components, replace damaged parts, and test the machine before returning it to service. My goal is always to minimize downtime and provide uninterrupted banking services to customers. I also have knowledge of ATM networking and communication systems. ATM machines depend on stable network connectivity to communicate with banking servers and transaction switches. I troubleshoot LAN, WAN, modem, router, and communication-related issues whenever network failures occur. Understanding network infrastructure allows me to resolve connectivity problems efficiently and maintain smooth transaction processing. In addition to technical maintenance, I follow strict security and compliance procedures while servicing ATM machines. I ensure that ATM vaults, locks, alarms, surveillance systems, and encrypted devices remain secure during maintenance activities. Security is a critical aspect of ATM operations because these machines handle sensitive financial transactions and customer information. One of my key responsibilities is troubleshooting ATM faults. When an ATM reports issues such as cash dispense errors, card reader failures, receipt printer problems, communication failures, or power-related faults, I analyze error logs and identify the root cause. I use diagnostic tools and technical procedures to repair defective components, replace damaged parts, and test the machine before returning it to service. My goal is always to minimize downtime and provide uninterrupted banking services to customers. I also have knowledge of ATM